It's so easy, we just have to put all the ingredients in one bowl. Perfect na? Nandun talaga yung creamy, rich taste. Kayla, do you know what is one of my favorite desserts? The one that I like to eat when we have a gathering, on Christmas Eve.
Chocolate cake.
Yes, aside from that.
Cookies. Boy. Fruit salad.
Yes! And that's what we're going to make today.
Yes!
You know, this is so easy. This is my favorite and also Kuya Mic's favorite. And it's gonna be your favorite too, right? So to make my version of no-fail fruit salad, you'll be needing, of course, Nestle All-Purpose Cream. We have here sliced cheese, sliced into cubes or cut into cubes. And then this is optional. This is grated queso de bola. This is for added flavor lang. We have raisins, condensed milk, chopped apples, and fruit cocktail. Now, for the chopped apples, KusiNica tip, pagka-chop nyo, dapat mag-squeeze kayo ng konting lemon dun sa apples, and then you just mix it together para hindi siya masyado mag-brown or ma-oxidize. So, are you ready? Let's begin?
Yes!
It's so easy. We just have to put all the ingredients in one bowl. So, this one. Now, go. And then,
the apples. Mommy, can I mix?
yeah. And,
Condensed milk.
ooh!
Ooh.
Now, that one muna. Then, we'll just adjust later. Kung kulang pa ng tamis. Kasi remember, your fruits are very sweet na. Raisins also is optional. Some people don't like raisins in their salad, but me, for that extra sweetness, 'di ba? Ang salad kasi lalo na tayong mga Pinoy, we have a lot of versions, 'di ba? Meron ngang buko pandan salad. Yung iba naman, they don't add fresh fruits. But ang hindi dapat talaga mawala is ang Nestle All-Purpose Cream. Whether it's for my fruit salad or other recipes, I've always relied on Nestle All-Purpose Cream to create the perfect dishes. Must have ko to because it's very versatile.
Wow.
Wow, wow talaga. O, mix it ha. I'll finish this na. Mix it well. Okay, I think you need my help. You know what, Kayla? When I was your age, I would help Mama D o yung mommy ko po. I would help her make or prepare the fruit salad because it's so easy. She would make me cut the cheese into small cubes.
And now I'm making with you.
Right. And then maybe you can pass on this recipe to your
Daughter when I grow up. Then pass and pass and pass and pass and pass.
I think we should add more raisins, no? Okay. Okay, let's finish it now. Okay, and for our last step, we will add grated queso de bola. Okay, again, this step is optional. Okay, this is slight of paarte lang to, no? To make your fruit salad. A bit of salty taste, diba? Minsan ang sarap nung may sweet and then konting salty. But just a little. But again,
Can I mix,
if
Mama?
you like. Oh, mix it well. KusiNica tip nga po pala. Okay, so 'di ba, pag Christmas ang dami nagbibigay sa atin ng fruits. So, isa din to sa mga recipes na pwede nating gamitin. So, we can add more grapes here, more apples. So, depende sa inyo what fresh fruits you'd like to add. But make sure lang na hindi siya masyadong mabasa or watery kasi you don't like to end up with a soggy fruit salad. I think we can taste this already. Me first. Mommy first.
I can't
Nandun
wait
talaga
to
yung
try
creamy,
it.
rich taste. Kaya you try.
So good.
Is it creamy? Perfect na?
Mommy, after, what do we do?
We have to chill this for about 2 hours.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joy.
Mommy, taste it.
So good. Yummy. Thank you for helping me.
Love you.
Love you.